On the way kami sa
English
Hi Ma'am Joy.
Joy. Love you.
Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. Today is April 20 and we are going to San Isidro Falls in Antipolo to experience nature trip. Now, here we got to our destination at 10:43 a.m. in the morning. We had a 3-hour trip. Despite the challenges that we faced during the trip, we got to our destination safely. After our long trip, we still need to take 10 to 20 minutes walk to our destination. So here, as you can see, we're having a hard time to walk and get to our spot because it's all ups and downs and we're carrying a lot of things and it was heavy. We almost got lost because we were confused by the directions. It is very confusing and scary, but we are still enjoying the moment that we still found our way. So here we're almost there to our destination by this time. And we can feel everything is gonna be worth it and enjoying the vibe and every single moment that we are having right now. And we also spent the night here and during the night we made a bonfire to reduce the cold we felt. Now, I'm going to show the some video clips we did throughout the day.
Ang hangin na humahaplo sa aking mga balat, ito ay nagmumula sa iyo. Mula sa berdeng mga puno at asul na dagat, kay sarap pagmasdan ang kagandahan mo. Mula kanluran hanggang silangan, ang sinag ng araw ang iyong korona, kataas-taasang kamahalan, kalikasan, liwanag ang bumubuhay at gumagabay sa kalikasan. Marilap ang iyong kulay na nagbibigay buhay. Mula kapatagan hanggang sa mga bundok, kamangha-mangha pagkalikha sa iyo. Sa araw ulan kahit pa bagyo, payapa ang buhay o may pagsubok, ang pag-ikot ng